2023, 5G 12GB RAM, release date, price and full specifications. Oppo X 2023, 5G 12GB RAM, release date, price and full specifications are available in our article. Today we are talking about an Oppo upcoming handset named is Oppo X 2023. It is an Oppo upcoming handset in the world. Many people are using Oppo brands around the world. The Oppo Company is manufacturer always making awesome handsets for their valuable customers. So, that is time they are also making this very good quality handset. At present, there are many smartphone company handsets available in the local mobile market. Among all of the brands, Oppo is the #1 brand. It has very powerful technology. Who the Oppo smartphone users are wanted to buy the new upcoming handset. So, before buying this handset, check out the details about the smartphone. In this content, we successfully provide you with all the detailed information about Oppo's new upcoming handset. Let's go for the upcoming Oppo phone features, and we will search out what manufactures the Oppo X best among the best. Also, check the release date, price, features, and full specifications in the below content. Oppo X release date. Are you finding it here when coming to Oppo in the local mobile market? Don't be afraid. Here this content successfully gives you an approximate upcoming release date. Now, there is no official information on when the smartphone coming. But, the Oppo Company is talking to us as soon as coming. The smartphone release date is September 30th in the year 2022. Oppo X 2023, specs. The Oppo new device's available part is display, battery, camera, storage, connectivity, and much more information. Let's go to be the talking it at first display options. Oppo X 5G display. The Oppo X 5G 12GB RAM smartphone has a smooth and curving design with a metallic and glass frame. This handset is available in 3 distinct hues to make it more visually appealing: mocha brown, black, polished blue, and pink gold. These smartphones have sensors that include gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, accelerometer, and more. Your phone is further protected by face and fingerprint recognition. In the display part, this gadget also uses an always-on display, which is highly handy for an active user. This model is far better than its previous one. It attracts attention with its massive 7.4 Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. Display security is a critical concern right now. Oppo has linked the Corning Gorilla Glass 7 to the phone so that it does not easily break when in the pocket or if it drops out of the hand. Battery. Oppo's upcoming flagship Oppo is powered by Li-polymer 5000 mAh non-removable powerful battery capacity. Also it is very useful for you playing games and internet browsing. Camera. Oppo camera packs a quad sensor on it consists of a 64MP plus 16MP plus 12MP. Also, it has a single 16MP sensor for taking selfies and making video calls front camera. Storage. This device is compatible with high-quality games. That's because the Oppo comes with 8/12 GB of RAM and 256/512 GB ROM with the microSD card slot expandable 1 TB. Also, The phone comes with the latest Android version V12. Connectivity. The device supports 5G as well as 4G VoLTE bands, besides other features like Wi-Fi, AGPS, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot, USB charging, USB Type-C, and many other sensors. HTC V22 Ultra 5G 2023, Price, Release Date, Review and Specs. HTC V22 Ultra 5G 2023, Price, Release Date, Review and Specs, for the HTC V22 Ultra 5G in 2023. The HTC Company promises to release the HTC V22 Ultra, a new smartphone, as quickly as possible on the global mobile market. The smartphone is available in 4 new hues: chocolate brown, black, tempered blue, as well as pink gold. If you wish to purchase an HTC smartphone with good performance from your neighborhood mobile market, check the V22 Ultra's release date, cost, features, and specifications beforehand. Recently, the HTC brand firm announced that another new smartphone would soon be available. HTC V22 Ultra 5G 2023 is the title. The most well-known and adored mobile manufacturer worldwide is HTC. A potent processor powers the future gadget. The HTC Corporation sells inexpensive, high-performance phones. The smartphone is anticipated to debut in the middle of 2023. So, please provide the complete information about this smartphone below. Specifications for the HTC V22 Ultra 5G 2023. The 6.9 Super Touchscreen display, touchscreen, 1B color display, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection are features of the HTC V22 Ultra flagship. With 8/12 GB RAM as well as 128/256/512 GB ROM, it boasts a potent Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which is sufficient to run Android 13 version, just like the Nokia Play 2 Max 2023. The Li-Polymer 7200 mAh completely non-removable battery powers the HTC coming flagship V22 Ultra, which also features a 64MP selfie camera featuring flashlight and a quadruple 144MP plus 32MP and 16MP plus 5MP rear camera. It has 2 SIM cards, and both of them support GSM, 3G, HSPA+, LTE, and 5G technology. The 6.9-inch display of the future smartphone HTC V22 Ultra 5G 2023 is equipped, which Corning tempered glass 7 serves to safeguard. The display resolution of the HTC V22 Ultra 2022 cell phone is 1440 x 3200 pixels. The fingerprint system on this gadget is sophisticated. HTC boasts 4 108MP primary lenses, a 32MP ultra-wide lens, a 16MP wide sensor, and a 5MP depth sensor in its cameras. It includes 2 64MP front cameras. There are standard cameras with features like HDR, LED flash, and Zeiss optics. The battery is an essential component of a good smartphone. The non-removable 7100 mAh Li-Polymer type battery of the HTC V22 Ultra 2023 is designed for the device's long lifespan. For 44 hours, no charging is necessary. The 45W rapid battery charging feature is available on this phone. What day does this HTC V22 Ultra 2023 go on sale? The HTC coming smartphone V22 Ultra does not currently have any official confirmation news. In our opinion, the planned HTC phone V22 Ultra 2023 release on October 29, 2023, may be delayed due to feature updates or business concerns. HTC V22 Ultra 5G 2023 complete details and features. Rumored status, not offered locally in mobile markets. GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G are all types of networks. SIM, 2 nano SIM cards. Display, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 coated 6.9-inch Super AMOLED complete touchscreen display. Processor, Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor, Qualcomm SM8550, 4 nanometers. Android 13 is the operating system. Memory, ROM, 128 GB, 256 GB, and 8/12 GB RAM. Camera, 64 MP frontal camera and 4 quadruple 144 MP plus 32 MP plus 16 MP and 5 MP rearward cameras. Li-polymer 7200 mAh battery non-removable. Sensors include fingerprint, Face ID, proximity, accelerometer, gyro, and barometer. Battery charging quickly, 65W quick charger. There is support for wireless charging. USB 4.0. 2 hours in water up to 2 meters deep, IP69 certified. 5mm audio jack with dedicated mic and active noise cancellation. Thanks for viewing the HTC V22 Ultra launch date, features, specifications, concept, design, headlines, first looks, hands-on reviews, and live image and price content for sticking with us for such a long time. Any queries on HTC V22 Ultra 5G cost content? Just leave a comment. We respond as quickly as we can.